Wow, Dad, look at this one. Is it a rare sun petal?
It is, buddy. See the way the light catches translucent stud.
We knew the risks. We just have to be careful.
You're right. Let's keep moving.
Don't worry, we're right here. You're safe with us. We're almost there, guys.
The view is amazing!
Look, it's erupting.
There's no time! I have to warn the village before the flow reaches them!
It's getting closer! We have to go now!
Grab everything you can carry!
Don't look back! Just run! Look out! The lava is coming! We have to go now!
Get back! It's coming down! Leo, let it go! It's far too heavy! Please stop trying!
We have to build a raft. We can use these bricks right here.
Look, the planks! Over there!
Okay, let's go! We have to hurry!
Hand me the long plates, quick! Here!
We need to move now, Leo. It's getting closer. Grab that yellow container, Leo. We need more flotation.
Got it! Securing the pins now. Hold on tight. Quickly, get on the raft now. Hold on tight.
But it's wobbling!
We just have to trust him. Watch out!
on! Watch your step! All right, kids, let's get in!
Wow, this is awesome!
All right, stay low and hold on tight. We're clear for takeoff.
All aboard!
Look at that view down there.
It's incredible!
We're flying. Look at that view down there.
It's incredible!
We're flying.
Don't worry, we're safe now.
We made it!